The Toyota ALTEZA AS300 is one of those rare cars that has become more respected with age. When it debuted in 1998, it entered one of the most competitive segments in the automotive world, taking on established European sports sedans while showcasing Toyota's engineering at its finest. Although it was marketed as a compact luxury sedan, beneath its clean and understated styling was a true driver's car, one that has since earned legendary status among enthusiasts, drifters, tuners, and collectors alike. Today, when people talk about Japanese performance icons, names like the Supra, Skyline GTR, RX-7, and Lancer Evolution usually dominate the conversation. Yet the ALTEZA AS300 deserves a place alongside them. It represents an era when Toyota prioritized balance, precision, naturally aspirated performance, and driver engagement over outright horsepower. Development of the ALTEZA began during the golden age of Japanese performance cars. Toyota wanted a compact sports sedan capable of challenging the BMW 3 Series while maintaining Toyota's legendary reliability. Rather than building another comfortable commuter, engineers focused on creating a car that would genuinely reward enthusiastic driving. The result was the Toyota ALTEZA, launched in Japan in 1998. Overseas markets received a version sold as the Lexus IS, but enthusiasts quickly realized that the Japanese market RS200 was the one to own. Powering the RS200 was Toyota's legendary 2JZ-GE Beams engine. Beam stands for Breakthrough Engine with Advanced Mechanism System, representing Toyota's latest engine technologies at the time. This naturally aspirated 2.0-liter inline-4 featured dual overhead camshafts, 4 valves per cylinder, and Toyota's VVTi variable valve timing system. It produced an impressive 210 horsepower at around 7,600 revolutions per minute and 216 Newton-meters of torque. Those figures may seem modest today, but in the late 1990s, producing over 100 horsepower per liter without turbocharging was a remarkable achievement. The engine's personality made it truly special. At low revs, it remained smooth and refined, making the RS200 comfortable enough for everyday driving. But once the tachometer climbed beyond 5,500 revolutions per minute, the engine came alive. The induction sound became sharper, throttle response intensified, and it eagerly raced toward its nearly 8,000 RPM redline. It wasn't built for effortless torque. Instead, it rewarded drivers who enjoyed rowing through the gears and keeping the engine in its sweet spot. Toyota paired the Beams engine with either a 5-speed automatic or the far more desirable 6-speed manual transmission. The manual transformed the driving experience, offering crisp, satisfying shifts while keeping the engine right where it performed best. Power was sent exclusively to the rear wheels, giving the RS200 the balanced handling characteristics enthusiasts love. Toyota equipped the car with double wishbone front suspension and a sophisticated multi-link rear suspension. Combined with nearly perfect weight distribution and responsive steering, the chassis delivered outstanding confidence through corners. Rather than relying on huge horsepower numbers, the ALTEZA rewarded smooth driving, precise inputs, and maintaining momentum. It became the kind of car that taught drivers how to become better behind the wheel. The steering remains one of the RS200's strongest qualities. Every movement feels natural and connected, allowing drivers to sense grip levels with remarkable accuracy. Even by today's standards, many enthusiasts consider it one of Toyota's best handling production cars. Inside, Toyota blended sportiness with premium comfort. The dashboard was driver-focused, while materials were excellent for the era. Comfortable front seats provided plenty of support without sacrificing daily usability. However, the feature that immediately grabs attention is the unique chronograph-inspired instrument cluster. Styled to resemble luxury wristwatches, the gauges became one of the ALTEZA's signature design elements and remain among the most distinctive factory instrument clusters ever installed in a production vehicle. On the outside, the ALTEZA embraced understated styling. Rather than oversized wings and aggressive body kits, Toyota opted for clean body lines, compact proportions, projector headlights, and subtle aerodynamic touches. The design has aged incredibly well, looking modern even decades after its introduction. One styling feature became famous worldwide: the clear lens taillights. They became so influential that aftermarket manufacturers copied the design for countless other vehicles. For years, clear taillights were commonly referred to simply as ALTEZA lights, a testament to the car's impact on automotive styling. Although the RS200 could accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in roughly 7 seconds, straight-line speed was never its biggest strength. Its true magic appeared on winding roads. The lightweight chassis, Naturally aspirated engine, responsive steering, and rear-wheel drive layout created an engaging driving experience that many modern sports sedans struggle to match. Every downshift felt rewarding. Every corner encouraged confidence. Every trip became enjoyable, regardless of speed. Toyota's reputation for reliability also played a major role in the ALTEZA's popularity. The 2JZ-GE Beams engine is well known for its durability when properly maintained. Routine servicing allows these engines to comfortably cover hundreds of thousands of kilometers while remaining dependable. That combination of reliability and performance made the AS300 both an exciting weekend car and a practical daily driver. The aftermarket quickly embraced the platform. Owners commonly install suspension upgrades, coilovers, lightweight wheels, exhaust systems, limited slip differentials, and ECU tuning. Some enthusiasts pursue even greater power through engine swaps. The legendary 2JZ turbocharged inline-6 has become one of the most popular conversions, transforming the lightweight ALTEZA into an incredibly fast performance machine. Others choose naturally aspirated 6-cylinder or V8 swaps. However, many enthusiasts believe the original Beams engine remains the perfect match because it preserves the car's lightweight balance and high revving character. The ALTEZA also became a favorite in motorsports. Its balanced chassis made it an excellent drift car, while circuit racers appreciated its predictable handling and impressive cornering ability. Whether competing in drifting, time attack, autocross, or club racing, the AS300 consistently proved just how capable its chassis really was. As the years passed, clean AS300s became increasingly difficult to find. Many were heavily modified, damaged during drifting, or simply accumulated very high mileage. As a result, well-preserved manual examples have become increasingly valuable and are now recognized as modern Japanese classics. Unlike many modern performance cars filled with artificial engine sounds, complicated electronics, and countless driving modes, the ALTEZA delivers a pure and honest driving experience. There's nothing fake about it, just a responsive, naturally aspirated engine, an excellent manual gearbox, balanced rear-wheel drive handling, and a chassis that constantly communicates with the driver. That simplicity is exactly why enthusiasts continue searching for them today. The ALTEZA also influenced future Toyota sports cars. Its philosophy of lightweight construction, excellent balance, and driver involvement lives on in cars like the Toyota GT86 and GR86. Looking back, Toyota achieved exactly what it set out to accomplish. The company wanted to build a compact sports sedan